Hi there, and today we're going to have a Squarespace image size tutorial. So in general, when you are creating your website in Squarespace, you want to follow some guidelines in how you will use your images and the size of your images when inserting them into your Squarespace website. So in general, your images should be between 1500 or 1500 and 2500 pixels wide. So that maintains a good balance between quality and fast loading times. And then for best results, you need to keep your file size at a minimum size. So most ideally under 500 kilobytes. And then you should always use JPEG or PNG formats so that you can optimize your size of the image so that they won't be a too big of a image size. And then you should optimize your pages total size to stay under 2 megabytes. So in that way, the Squarespace website will load faster and then you won't encounter some errors. And then some other general guidelines. So if you are using large banner images and background images, so your images should be between 1500 to 2500 pixels wide. And then next for logos and icons, so these are small images. So a a size of 100 to 500 pixels will suffice. Next, for medium images, it should be around 500 to 1500 pixels wide. And then for small images, you can just use around 500 pixels wide. So those are the general guidelines that we need to know, but you should always see how your image looks like in the live website so that you can make some adjustments. So for example, I'll go back to Squarespace. Let's go ahead, go to the website, go to edit, and then I will add a blank section right here and then just add an image block. So just go ahead and play around with Squarespace's editor right here. So for example, I will upload an image. So I will go here and then I will upload, for example, this logo right here. So if you want it to be a small logo icon, so you can just adjust the size to your preferred size right like that. So as you can see, it is still a clear image, so it doesn't change its quality. Then we can add some more image blocks right here. So for example, I'll upload a file. So for example, this one. So this one, the image block will look like this. So what you need to do is that you just need to adjust the size of your block right here so that you don't have any unnecessary spaces. Then you can go ahead and just move it around your Squarespace website and put it in the area that you want to put the image. And then that's basically it. So you just need to observe how your image looks in Squarespace. So just choose the appropriate image. So just choose JPEG and PNG images only so that the quality won't degrade and then it won't slow down your Squarespace website. And then that is it. So just observe how your image looks in your website, then make some adjustments to the size. And then I hope you learned how to use images in Squarespace, and thank you for watching.